The sunroof here goes all the way to the back, giving more sunlight to the whole vehicle. You can also control the climate and the seat heaters here on the screen. The screen is a touch screen, or you can control with the buttons. You can press the button here on the steering wheel for voice command. There is a Bluetooth connection available, so you may answer your phone, listen to your music, etc. on this vehicle. Call us today for more information or to schedule a test drive.